Okay, walk. Filming the back end of a goat. Isn't this thrilling? We are so excited to have the back end of a goat being watched.
Did you zoom in on him?
Yes. Ooh, and look at those legs. Woo! All 6 of them.
Okay, let me do it again.
All right. Should probably stop. We are not wanting to leave. We got something to eat. Here we go. All right, we're walking. We're walking.
I don't think he's ready for the pet show yet.
No? You are. Good looking. There's Owl. Hey, Owl. She's such a sweetheart. We are so enjoying her. She loves Charlie. Loves, loves, loves Charlie. Loves to step on his toes, too. Oh. There you go.
Where? Here.
She's not being coaxed here.
She's probably full.
Okay, you're being recorded. Hello, Owl.
Picture of her putter.
Boy, if somebody did that to me, I'd be a little upset. Take pictures of my letters. All right. Good, sweet girl.